So last night was one of those rare occasions where I decided to cook, and I decided to make Thai green curry with Maizin mango sauce. And of course I put a lot of pepper, hot pepper being the Nigerian girl that I am, and mixed vegetables, mixed peppers actually. I put prawns in as well in my Thai green curry and Maizin mango sauce like I said already, and I stirred. It's looking very colorful and beautiful, and soon it'll be ready to eat. Made it with rice as well, which is perfect. Basmati rice actually. And now it's ready. My green curry is currying. My green curry is currying.
That's good.
I'll show you. Can you see?
Hey, me, I want chop. You shrimp?
Yeah, prawns.
Chicken.
King prawns.
Okay.
I'm recording you though. I'm recording you looking at my green curry.